Guys, welcome back. Today we are looking at the exponential equation. We have this question written down, which is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x, which is equals to 130. So let's get started. For solution, we have 8 power x plus 2 power x equals 130. So if you can see, this is the base 2 and this is the exponential. It has got the same base, in which we are going to reduce this 8 to be 2 to the power 3. It is equals to 8. So that means we are going to substitute here with the 2 power 3 with this x to be 3x plus 2x 2 to the power x, which is equals to 130. And remember that in indices, whenever you are multiplying a to the power r the power b, then it will be, you're going to multiply the powers, in which it will be a to the power r b. So we are going to do the same here. So we are going to take this, what we have here, back to this term which we have here, in which it will be 2 to the power 3 the power x plus 2 to the power x equals 130. And this one here, we can swap x here. It can go where it will be 2 to the power x, then power 3. This one plus 2 to the power x equals 130. And if you can see here, we have the same base. So here we have to let 2 to the power, this 2 to the power x to be equals to b. So we have to substitute where there is 2 to the power x with the b, in which we are going to have b to the power 3 plus here we are going to have b equals 130, in which we are going to correct this 130 to the other side. We are going to have b to the power 3 plus b minus 130, because here it was a positive, which is equals to 0. So let's take it here. If you can see, this is a polynomial equation, so in which we are going to look for product and sum. Let's try to multiply 26 by 5. It will be 130. And if you can see here, there is only one term, which is 1. So we are going to look for the number which we can subtract from 26, which will give us 1, which is 25. So we have a multiple of 25. That means we are going to have minus 25 plus 25. That will give us 1. So we are going to substitute it here, in which it will be b to the power 3 minus 25b plus 26b minus 130 equals to 0. So now here, let's factor out what is common. It is b. So b, it will be outside. Then open b into b cubed. We are going to remain with b squared minus 25. Then close bracket. Then here, what's common? It is plus 26. Then 26 into 26b, we are going to remain with b minus into 130, which is 5 equals to 0. So here let's write it, this equation. B open b to the power 2 minus 25 plus 26 open b minus 5 equals 0. And if you can see, this is a difference of two squares. When you have a squared minus b squared in the bracket, then this one, it will be equals to a minus b, a plus b. So we have to take this term to be in this term here, in which we are going to have b outside. Then here we are going to have b minus 5. The square root of 25, it is 5. Then close, open b plus 5. Then plus this 26 which we have here then open b minus 5, which is equals to 0. So now here, if you can see the factors what are common, it is b minus 5, in which we are going to factor out b minus 5 to be outside. Then here, open square bracket, we are going to remain with this b which we have here, b open bracket, then b plus 5 in the bracket plus this 26 which we have here, then close square bracket, which is equals to 0. And if you can see, we have to equate every equation to be equals to 0. Here we have this one, b minus 5 to be equals to 0, in which we are going to have b equals 5. So let's solve this now with what is inside. We are going to expand this one, b times b, which is b squared, then b times 5, which is plus 5b, then plus 26. So this is a quadratic equation now. For you to solve this quadratic equation, so let's try to solve using a discriminant, in which discriminant is there to test whether the quadratic equation has got the real roots or non-real roots, in which we are going to say d equals b squared minus 4ac, then d equals, this is a b c. Our b, it is 5, so 5 squared minus 4, then a we have 1, then b we have 26. So d, it will be equals to 25. 5 squared, it is 25, minus 4 times 26, which is 104, which is d equals minus. So here 25 minus 104, it is 7. Say b to be equals to 5. So remember here we had say 2 to the power x equals b. So we have to substitute where there is b with 5. So 2 to the power x to be equals to 5. Then here we are going to use log both sides, in which it will be log 2 to the power x equals log 5. And remember that whenever you have there's a rule which can be used here. If you have log a the power x the power 2, this one it will be because 2 will drop here, in which we are going to have 2 log a to the power x. So we are going to do the same thing here, in which we are going to have log x will drop here to go here, so x log 2 equals log 5. Then if you divide both sides with log 2, so x here, let's take it here, so x here it will be log 5, this is log 2, log 5 over log 2. So our final answer, in which it will be x equals log 2 to the power 5. This is our answer. If you want to prove, you can prove. Do log 2 to the power 5 and substitute it here, it will give us 130, and this is our answer, which is x equals log 2 to the power 5. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so the next time you see the new teach.